Welcome to topic 4 of module 2. What are the objectives that we consider when we design an optimal anomaly detection system? So, objective number 1 is that we have to reduce the number of false positive and false negatives. Anomaly detection suggests that an event that stands out from the rest. That is the basic definition of the anomaly detection. Now, false negative occurs when the system does not find something that the user intends it to find. So it's a false negative. And false positive occurs when the system erroneously recognizes normal events as an anomalous one. False positive can seem benign as well. System is actually giving us positive anomaly detection, anomalous situation, which is false. However, the main concern of this objective is that every alert has a cost associated with it. So high false alarm rates can rapidly degrade the integrity of the system. Like we will have this thing, oh, this system is always generating false alarms. So that is going to be the integrity of the system, and sooner the people are not going to believe such a system. An example of this objective is, for example, the false negative messages that is a spam but incorrectly seen as a regular email, and the false positive whether the message was not spam but incorrectly being blocked as spam. Objective number 2 is that the anomaly detection system should be very easy to configure, tune, and maintain. Configuring anomaly detection system can be a non-trivial task. The reason is that inadequate configurations of threshold-based systems directly causes false positive or false negative. We have already seen that there are different methods, like we can have statistical profiles, we can have heuristic based method as well. So the objective is that we need to have sound and sufficient domain knowledge in order to model an anomaly detection system for that particular domain. If we are doing a network traffic analysis, we need to have an understanding when we have more traffic flow, when ports are open, when is the maximum activity, when is the low